Abdomen, sign and symptoms. Epigastrium, manifestation on tongue and pulse. Epigastrium manifestation on the tongue. On the tongue, the epigastric area is reflected either in the center or on the side around the center. So, ayan po yung ating drawing. Division of the tongue according to the internal organs. So, the upper part, kidney, bladder, intestine. Center part, stomach and spleen. The two sides are liver and gallbladder. And the tip, heart. Next to the tips, the lungs. An examination of the coating in this area is essential to distinguish full from empty condition, as a full condition will be reflected by a thick coating in this area, and an empty condition by a rootless coating or the absence of coating. The coating in this area also closely reflect the hot or cold nature of stomach's problems. A white coating indicates cold, and a yellow, including brown, coating indicates heat. The thickness of the coating reflects the intensity of the pathogenic factor. The thicker the coating, the more intense the pathogenic factors. To summarize, when examining the coating in the stomach area of the tongue, we should establish systematically first whether there is a coating, second, the color of the coating, and third, the thickness of the coating. Some stomach pathologies are reflected in the central section of the tongue on the sides. For example, stomach heat often manifests with the redness in these areas. Crack in the central area are a very clear reflection of stomach-yin deficiency. This may be small horizontal or vertical cracks, or a wide midline crack in the central area. While a small crack in this area develop gradually from dietary irregularities. A wide central midline stomach crack may be hereditary and indicate a tendency to develop stomach-yin deficiency. Epigastrium manifestation on the pulse. With regard to the pulse, the right middle position, of course, reflects closely stomach disharmonies. The most common pulse qualities in this position are slippery, saggy, floating, empty, and wiry. A slippery pulse in the stomach-spleen position indicates retention of dampness in the stomach and spleen. A saggy quality indicates dampness occurring against the background of the stomach and spleen deficiency. A floating, empty pulse in this position indicates stomach-yin deficiency. A wiry pulse in this position denotes stomach qi stagnation, which may occur by itself or as a consequence of liver qi stagnation, in which case the pulse would be wiry in both middle position. An interesting aspect of the stomach pulse is its upper part. When it is felt by rolling the finger distally towards the pingle, very slightly, this corresponds to the esophagus, and if the pulse is tight in this area, it indicates rebellious stomach qi, or stagnation of food in the upper part of the stomach, often due to eating too fast or eating when under pressure at work. So treatment, essential points for epigastric window. Fair distension, REM 12, stomach 36. Remember, REM 12 subdue rebellious stomach qi. REM 12 tonifies stomach qi, but it also resolves dampness and phlegm. REM 10 stimulate the descending of stomach qi and empty condition. Epigastric pain summary. Blood stasis in the stomach means stabbing pain. There's stabbing pain. Cold in the stomach, spastic pain ameliorated by heat. Retention of food, pain with feeling of fullness. Rebellious liver chi invading the stomach, distending pain radiating to the right or left. Stomach heat, burning pain. Phlegm heat in the stomach, burning pain with feeling of heaviness and nausea. Damp heat in the stomach, damp heat in the stomach. Pain with feeling of heaviness and sticky taste. Stomach deficient and cold. Chronic, intermittent, dull ache ameliorated by heat. Stomach yin deficiency. Chronic intermittent burning pain and dry mouth. Rebellious chi in the penetrating vessel. Distension, tightness, and pain radiating to abdomen and or chest with anxiety. Thank you for your attention.